So where is this function increasing? Let's begin with that question. So look very carefully, right? When I trace over this part of the graph, what happens? The y-coordinates are getting bigger and bigger. In other words, you're going up a hill from left to right. That's why the arrows are pointing that way. So where does this begin in terms of the x? So you draw a little vertical line from the low point up to the x-axis right there. That value of x, where you hit the x-axis, that's about negative 1.5. Okay, then where you stop on the peak point, you draw down to this axis right here, again the x-axis, you see that that's a value about equal to 1. So in other words, when you input the answers here where it says increasing on the interval, that's talking only about the x-axis. So that means you're going to, for example, shade from here. So it goes as follows then. Parentheses, negative 1.5, comma, positive 1. It's increasing over this interval of x's. The y coordinates get bigger and bigger and bigger. It's like climbing up a hill. Check the comments for the link to the complete video.